Hello, this is OpenBox and welcome to another video. Today we'll be reviewing the Corsair Scimitar RGB Elite optical gaming mouse from Corsair. This is one of the greatest Corsair inventions for a gaming mouse. To be honest, this is pretty much my favorite editing mouse. To be honest, anything for really work, as it has so many programmable buttons and it is one of the greatest features on this. Also, I wouldn't say it is the greatest gaming mouse, as to be honest, ergonomics, it's not that bad, but still Logitech has their game better. Okay, so this box, I do not know who designed this, but whoever made this, oh my god, it is the most complex box I've ever opened in my life, and hopefully I will never have to open one like it again. It is too complicated, but to be honest, Corsair is not really my favorite brand, but I thought why not give them a check out. Okay, so there it is, the Corsair Scimitar RGB Elite Pro. So it is a fully RGB mouse. You can change it through Icue, which is their Corsair gaming software. You can actually see the tutorial which I do on the end on how to change the colors, especially of the DPI light, which actually confuses a lot of people on how to change them as it's not in the lightning preferences. But let's get into this. As you can tell, it is the most complicated box ever, and there it is. Finally, after a lot of digging, I got to it, and there it has 17 programmable buttons and up to 18,000 DPI, which is pretty decent, not gonna lie. As you can tell, RGB looks nice. It's on 4 different places, I'm pretty sure. It's on the number pad, the 12-digit number pad on the left side, and the RGB lighting that's right in front of it, on the wheel scroll and in front of the mouse, which actually is a very weird spot. It feels very nice, got a lot of buttons that you can actually change around in the software, which I'm going to show you how to do now. So it's just very easy. Once you plug it in, it will straight away show up there. Choose lighting effects. I've already made the lighting effect, which is just a white, which actually fits into my setup, but hopefully you can choose what you want. You can actually change the color on every single LED slot differently, but I just chose to do it white. If you actually see, it says hardware action just right up there. So this is actually the DPI. The DPI, I choose it all to white because I don't want it to change color when I switch DPI, because I just want it to be white. Now if you go to hardware action, you can simply change the button, which are 12 buttons on the side, which you can change to do whatever shortcut you would like, which is very handy, especially when it comes to editing, gaming. It is very good, especially if you want to shorten things. So for now, I actually am not using any of these, as I'll just use the stock software that it comes with. Thanks for watching, have a great day.